Picture a wax base you melt once and pour into 4 different jar sizes. Or a buttercream you whip up once and pipe onto 5 different cakes. That thing in the middle, the prep you make once and then use across multiple finished products, that's a subassembly. In the next 3 minutes, we'll cover what subassemblies are in Ardent Seller, when to use one, and how they flow through your recipes. They sit under Create in the sidebar, alongside Equipment, Finished Goods, and Recipes. That whole group comes with the Manufacturing module, so if you don't see it, switch Manufacturing on under Settings, Features. You can see 2 subassemblies listed, Lavender Soy Wax Base and Vanilla Coconut Wax Base. If we open one up, the form looks just like any other inventory item. You'll see a name, a SKU, a tracking unit, pounds in this case, and a state. The only thing that makes this a subassembly is the category it belongs to. So when do you actually need one? 3 signals. First, when you make the same intermediate prep for more than one finished good. 1 wax base poured into 4 jar sizes, 1 soap base cut into different bar shapes. Second, when the prep takes time on its own, a soap base that cures for weeks before you cut it, or a fragrance blend you batch ahead. And third, when you want to see the cost of that intermediate by itself, apart from the finished product. You can absolutely embed every raw ingredient in line in every finished good recipe. It works, but you re-enter the same items in every recipe, and you lose the cost view of the prep itself. The flow is 2 recipes and 2 production runs. Recipe 1 targets the subassembly. Its ingredients are raw, soy wax flakes, fragrance oil. And when you finish a production run, a fresh batch of wax base shows up in your inventory, ready to use. Recipe 2 targets a finished good, like a candle. One of its ingredients is the subassembly itself. When you run that batch, Ardent Seller debits the wax base inventory, debits the wicks and jars, and credits 12 finished candles to your shelf. Cost flows the same way. The raw ingredient costs roll into the subassembly cost. The subassembly cost rolls into the finished good cost. So your candle's cost line includes everything that went into the wax base plus everything that went into pouring it. Open any recipe and you'll see the ingredient picker treats raw materials, packaging, and subassemblies all the same. Pick whatever the recipe actually consumes. That's the whole pattern. So that's the subassembly, an intermediate inventory item fed by one recipe and consumed by another, with cost flowing cleanly through both. If you find yourself making the same prep before 2 different finished goods, that's the moment to add one. Try Ardent Seller free at ardentseller.app and subscribe for more tutorials.